Hi guys! I just received my package today and I'm super excited to open it. Just stay with me guys and see what is it. You might be still confused what is it, but stay tuned so you will find out. So it has a really nice packaging. So I ordered this right posable Lisa Ready Guana hand. So here it is. I just really love the packaging. And it has the jewelry. It has this note. And another jewelry. I'm just so in love with the packaging and the item is really safe. So here it is. Ta-da! So you might be wondering why did I order hand? It's so weird, right? But I ordered this to use it as my model for the acrylic and nail arts. So stay tuned guys, I'm gonna be posting a lot of videos and pictures on YouTube and Instagram. I'm gonna be posting my nails design. Just look at that, it looks like a real hand and you can stretch it. You can stretch on the side, up and down. It's just so weird and funny. Alright guys, that's much for today. Thank you so much and stay tuned on my videos because a lot of new videos will come up soon. Thank you and have a great day.